Hello to everyone in my GitHub repository, or my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. I am Python, a Python noob. In the past, I made a conclusion a conclusion homework, I guess, uh, which was about some plate correction, plate recognition, and ANPR in general. I have here the old code, like when I only had 3 months of study, 3 months of knowledge. This, uh, like majority of this code, is from ChatGPT, I guess, from the other guy, which passed me the code for me to finish, and then the code has some major errors, some pretty screwed stuff, and I had to modify a bigger part of it, like the recognition in general, the sending of the topics in MQTT, uh, the requests too, and this was my fault right here, and the fault of the other guy too. The other guy made an authentication method which need to have a photo of the plate of the specific car, which will pass the camera, but we didn't have this method. Like, there is no folder, there is no archive, there is no photo, there is nothing, and we can do shit about it. Then I had to make a pretty screwed uh, method to collect the text and then to filter it. But with my 3 months of poor knowledge, I did some major faults. I did some pretty screwed stuff, like pretty noob, like if, else, if, like a bunch of ifs, a bunch of else's, a bunch of nothing. Uh, this is the 1.0, the official launch of my code to end my TCC. Then we had the code, like, which I named correction, uh, which was the code I tried to correct my previous errors, but I made some other major errors while if, like this bunch of if stuff has a total of 128 lines, which was pretty shit because this doesn't work. This was my 1.1 launch for the TCC, but I didn't launch because it doesn't work at all. And then right now, with my 5 months of knowledge that I'm studying Python 4 hours a day and making exercises, making my classes in Udemy with Luis Otávio Miranda, who is my teacher, I did this, which like 30 minutes ago I finished this code, which is to be the new version of the old code. Like, this is much more polished. Like, in the other code we don't have dicts, we don't have neither lists. Well, here I have to import the string, but that's life. It is what it is. And this is the the code. Literally, this is the code. This is the ladder filter, this is the number filter, and when we compare this to the old code, to the old version of it, like, you can see that I'm trying to make a pseudo dict, pseudo list, but this doesn't work at all because I need to use mut ifs. Like I could use a leaf at all, or switch case, or a leaf case, I don't know. But like this is the past code, this is the old code, this is the new. But this works. I can try. Like I didn't explain why I need a filter, because PTBR-EN cannot recognize Brazilian plates with precision, because the font we use in Mercosul plates is so strange. Like it can stutter with eyes and ones. It will not recognize the difference between these two. It will not recognize the difference between S and 5s, 2 and Z's, T's and 7s. And then I need to make a code which will which do what he sees every index of the string, like the plate text we receive, and then and then the code do the filtering. Like he will see the index 0 is O, the index 1 is T, the index 2 is M. Like we have a pattern that is ladder, number, number. There is no other pattern to this. Like cannot be number in the beginning, and it cannot be ladder in the end. So with this pattern we can make a code that will reach what we want at all. Here I make a module, a module and a package. The init yes, the import all somehow is not good, but I use this because my teacher said to me that in this situation I could use. And then there is the one of the tests. Like this is the func module, some pretty random file. First I will explain the code by itself. It will receive a string, which will be the plate text, a list, in this case the ladder list, which will be by the string module, a jict, number to ladder correction jict. This is self-explanatory. And then it will have a counter in the variable called new string. It will see if the lane is equal 7, because Brazilian plates and Mercosul plates only have 7 digits, 7 characters. I guess characters is for a person. Here it will raise an exception if I put more than or more or less than 7, and then it will see each index, and if is the wrong position, and will return it to me. I will do a test right now. See, I import the test package, and I have an input which the name is coleta, which is collect. This can simulate the PTBR-EN in some ignorant you understand. I will put right now L 5 to be an S, and AI 4 key, LSN 4149. Like it have the same pattern. I will print a pattern right below it. which will be ladder, number. Save the file, L5N AI 4 key, the same pattern. The code just fixed the fucking malfunction and the fucking malprecision. I guess that's it, but I will test with other plates that I have in mind. It's 07M. Oh fuck, he gave me the error. He raised it. 07M ZX22Z. It will be OTM22, I guess. Yep, OTM22X22. That's it. This is the fixed code, the update. That's it. Thanks for y'all. Thanks for watching. And if you have some questions, if you want to ask something, ask in the comments or ask for me in the branch in GitHub, or you can send me something on LinkedIn too if you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.